Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can disable Windows 10 updates or automatic updates. So all what you will have to do, you will have to go to the search tab and you type services. You open the one with this window, you click on it and you have to wait a bit. So as soon as this window will pop up, click anywhere on any of these services and just press the key W on your keyboard and keep on going until you reach Windows Updates. There we go. And here you have to click 2 times. And as soon as this window will pop up, you have to click Disable. You click Apply. And after that, you click OK. As you can see now, Windows updates are disabled. But please make sure before doing that Windows is not updating itself on the background to not make any mistakes. You can check that by going to Settings and going to tab and typing Settings. You open your settings before disabling just to check. You have to wait a bit and then you go to Updates and Security. And from here you have to check if there is any update loading. You shouldn't do that, but if it's like this or there is no update being installed, then you can just disable it. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. If you still need help or assistance, you can always contact us. Thanks for watching. If you would like to encourage us, please press like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.